gotta say it. You can get it.
So you guys, I'm by the pool, and there's different, like a lot of people at the pool. So I'm gonna eat a little bit, and then after this I'm gonna go in the water. So you guys, it's so hot out here, literally. Ooh. The sun is like beaming really, really bad. But it feels good though. So I'm eating dumpling, curry chicken, and I always say potatoes, right? I think it's potatoes, yeah. But it's really good. It's a Jamaican dish, so it's really, really good. So after this, I'm just gonna go in the water, and hopefully you guys will get a couple of clips of me swimming. There's like kids in the pool, so it's really good. You guys, I tried to do my hair today, and it turned out pretty good, so I like it. It looks really good. Yeah, I'm literally out here just trying to mind my business right now, you know? I mean, people are staring, but whatever. Work has to be done in general, so like I picked the wrong spot to sit because I'm more likely getting wet, but I mean, you know, it's okay. So yeah guys, I don't want my phone to overheat, so I'm gonna stop the video and then I'll be right back. So yeah guys. Hey you guys, so I had to change the area of the pool, the section of the pool, because it's too hot on that side and there's more people coming in the pool. So I'm just gonna take a dip in the water and show you. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, I'm just gonna show you guys. So yeah, swimwear ready. So you guys, I'm about to take a dip right now. There's like a lot of people here at the pool, so yeah guys, I have my swimsuit on and I feel so beautiful. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take a dip right now. So the pool is beautiful. Guys, this is the beautiful pool right here, and I'm about to take a dip. Guys, the pool literally feels so amazing right now. Like, it's not cold. It's like warm. Like, it feels just right. You guys, I tried to do my hair in a cute hairstyle. Let me try to put you guys in more in the light. I think the light is this way. Yeah. The sun's not really out right now, but it was out before, like 30 minutes ago, but yeah. Woo! Yeah, I literally did my hair, and yeah, it's pretty cute. Yeah, people are staring at me, but whatever. But I feel nice. Feels good in here. Enjoy this beautiful vlog, guys. Ooh. Guys, I literally feel like a mermaid right now. Yeah. You guys, I'm loving this swimwear. I mean, it fits. I just wish that they had 1X, which would be like one size like bigger. But I mean, it's fine. The girls are holding up. It fits. It might be a little sucked in, but I feel like that's a good support for me because, you know, to keep them up. So I kind of like it though. I do. I like it here. Yeah. Trying to live my best life, you know. There's like so much people here, so so like I literally asked my sister like what color swimwear I should wear, and she's like blue. So I'm like, okay, good, like period, because blue's my favorite color. So yeah. Yeah, I love it here. You guys, I don't really know what to talk about. But yeah, guys, I really appreciate you guys for subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And yeah, I'm trying to get to a road to 400 to 1K. Trying to do that within a couple months. So yeah, guys, just keep subscribing and sharing the videos and commenting on my videos. So yeah. Guys, it's a beautiful day. Yo, it's kind of hard to swim with the selfie stick, but yeah. Yeah, guys, so I don't think my phone's gonna overheat because the sun's not really out, and I spoke too soon because the sun wants to come out now. So yeah. But I just don't want it to overheat. So yeah, welcome to another pool vlog. I guess, yeah, the sun's on this side, guys. But yeah, guys, I feel so beautiful right now. Like, this is my favorite color and I'm wearing it. I feel like a mermaid. Guys, I just ate curry chicken and dumpling. That's like a Jamaican dish. It was really, really good. Oh my god. Yo, my phone is gonna get wet from like the splashes in the water. But yeah, I'm trying not to record other people because, you know, I just don't want to have them on camera. But yeah. But it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I guess you guys are just gonna watch me swim. Oh my gosh. You guys, all my life, I always would go to the pool. Like, ever since I was in like middle school, high school, like every day, like I would go in the pool, and it just brings back like memories of me just going in the water. So I'm sorry, you guys. I just feel so nice. Like, I don't know. I'm trying to just do my own thing right now. So, oh no, guys, there's freaking dragon bee. I keep saying dragon bees, dragonflies. I believe that's the word, and they keep flying over here. Like, no, I don't want that to happen. No, no. But yeah. You guys, I feel so beautiful. I'm sorry guys if I'm not really talking. It just feels really, really nice, you know, to just chill by yourself. Like, there's stuff in the water, like, what? But yeah. You guys, I'm literally always alone. Always alone. Like, and I guess that's probably because, hold on, let me turn the camera, hold on. I guess part of the reason why I'm always alone is because, I don't know, I don't really have friends. Like, I don't really reach out on apps like that anymore, because I feel like not everybody's serious. So yeah, that's like the main reason, like, why I try to come out here, because I have nothing else to do. So yeah, but yeah, the water feels pretty cool. It doesn't feel like hot or anything. It's like a good warm, what's the word? What's that word? But you get what I mean. But yeah, it's so nice. The water. But imagine if it was cold. I don't know if I would be able to get in here. Oh God! Oh, you guys, I hate the bugs. Oh my gosh, I gotta swim. I cannot stay in one spot because the bugs are just gonna attack me. Yeah, no. I am not here for it at all. At all. And there's stuff in the pool. Like, I don't understand. You see, guys? You guys, I love Fort Lauderdale. But yeah, I really, really, really want my channel to grow. You know, I'm 27 and I really want my own apartment. And, you know, just to be an adult and do what adult things. I said adult things. Basically, like, you know, just have my own space, so that way you guys can get like more like makeup tutorials, because honestly I need a room, so that way, you know, you guys would get like fun stuff, fun videos. So yeah, just please subscribe and share, like, and comment on my videos. I appreciate it though. Woo! Yo, the water is so high up. Like, I don't know if that's because like they put like water, like some more water, but it feels good. Woo! You guys, I'm literally goofy. I'm trying to hold on to the wall because I don't want to drop my selfie stick. And not just a selfie stick, but like I don't want to drop the phone either. So, you know. I'm trying to just show my face because, you know, I don't want people to be like, oh, you're recording me. Like, no, I'm not recording you, you know? So, yeah. Woo! Maybe I should show you guys me swimming. See, I would dip my head in the water, but it's the fact that I simply did my hair for the video. And yeah, if you guys want me to do my hair, like probably straighten it again, just let me know down in the comments, or you know, just let me know on my social media if I should try to straighten my hair again. Honestly, it's like I don't really want to put chemicals in my hair. I'm trying to leave it as natural as possible because my hair naturally is already damaged, and I don't want to like ruin it more with like more iron and heat and stuff like that. So yeah. Yeah, it's a beautiful pool day. Woo! Guys, I don't think the selfie stick is the issue. It's my arms. I have very short arms, so it's kind of difficult to hold the selfie stick. And plus, like, I can't really, like, I don't know if you guys can really see me because the brightness on my phone is pretty dark. So, but yeah. I'm a mermaid. I could swim. I just don't want my phone to get wet. But yeah, guys, thank you for subscribing so far. I really would dip my head in the water, but I just don't want these edges to like disappear, you know? Like, I literally slayed my hair for you guys, like, and for myself too, but you know, I just don't want to like do that. So. But yeah. This is fun though. I love it here. This is really nice. Like, I don't know. I try to stay in one area, but it's a really, really good area. So. I mean, it's summertime, so I expect everyone to be in the pool and having fun, so. Yeah. You guys, I'm trying so hard not to like wet my phone, but I'm trying to give you guys like a long vlog. But yeah, honestly, I wanted to come out here because honestly to show you guys my swimwear. But I know you guys seen it in like my previous video. Make sure to share that video, and give it a like and comment. Yeah, this is so beautiful. I love it here. Y'all. But yeah, I can't wait for actual summer because it's gonna be more days where I go to the beach and the pool, so you guys will be seeing me in my other swimsuits. And yeah. It's pretty difficult to like, you know, vlog with like, you know, other people, but it's okay. I just can't really hear myself so much, you know, but it's fine. You guys, low key though, low key, I kind of want to come out the water. Like, I kind of do. But it's nice. I can't really see myself right now because of the sun, but guys, I just don't want to drop my phone. The water's trying to take over me, like, for real. You guys, the water literally smells like urine, and it has like little stuff in it. But what do you expect when it's not just you in the water? It's like other people. But anyway. Woo! You guys, if I had friends, I would literally have people come in the water with me. Like, it's so nice. It helps me like relax in the water and not think about the past or whatever, and like people, you know, like it just takes my mind off of things, whether I'm stressed out or traumatized, you know. You just do stuff to take your mind off of things. But yeah, you guys, I'm feeling so beautiful. Like, I look so nice. Like, my natural hair, my swimsuit, yeah, all natural. But yeah, guys, I kind of don't know what to say. I just really hope that like my channel grows to where like it needs to be. I should have honestly started like years ago, but I never did, because mentally I was just in an era where I felt like maybe I don't know, but I don't want to mention anything else about that. But yeah, I just want to grow it, and I hope you guys love my personality and watch me for me. And yeah. But by the way, this is a clean page. Well, I said page, clean channel, so keep it clean in the comments. Yeah. And yeah, guys, I don't know when I'm gonna end the video here, but it's beautiful out here. Yeah. What was I gonna say? I'm trying to see if there's anything else I should mention. Yeah, like, you know, I'm trying to get to the bag. I really want this channel to grow, because honestly, I cannot deal with a regular 9 to 5. Your girl's getting older. Your girl, you know, wants to work for herself, be an entrepreneur, you know, set goals for herself, wants to travel. And yeah, I just want to live alone, and a 9 to 5 is just too much. You know, like, it's just too much. Your girl doesn't want to work for nobody. So yeah, just subscribe, share it, and yeah. I don't know if you guys can see me, but it's okay. But yeah, like, comment, and share the video. And subscribe. You guys, it was... I would leave like the selfie stick down, but it's like I don't want like other people like in it, so yo, it's the water's like splashing in my nose. I don't know if that's because I'm short, you know. I'm a really short girl, but I could swim. I just feel short. Swim, swim. I've got a special power that I'm not afraid to use. Na, 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 na. This is my fantasy. It's all about living in the ocean, being water free. You guys, I'm not gonna lie. Swimming is literally like an exercise for me. Like, it feels like I'm working out. Like, honestly, you might not think it's a sport, but it really is a sport. Like, you're moving your muscles, your heart is beating 10 times faster. Yeah, like, swimming is pretty good, actually. Woo! Yeah. Agua is so nice. Oh gosh. I'm gonna come out. I'm gonna come out and sit. Guys. Guys, feels so nice. I'm gonna sit. I kind of wish that I had someone to take my pictures. Like, I don't know. I don't want to bother people. And it's kind of weird. But, like, I would have, like, a cute thumbnail if somebody could take it for me. But, I don't know. I might have to just take my selfie stick in the sun and try to take pictures on the other side. So, like, that's just what I'm going to have to do. So... But yeah, guys, feels so nice. Summer's coming up, man. Yeah, nice vibes. Oh gosh, this is a big dog. Oh guys, I don't know. I think I'm gonna try to go in the sun over there and try to take pictures. I don't know, maybe. But I just don't want my phone to get wet. So. Oh, I feel so beautiful. Okay, you guys, thank you for like, comment, and subscribing to my channel and clicking that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. And yeah, guys, I hope you like this vlog, and yeah, stay tuned for more content. I don't know, maybe tomorrow or during the week I might come back and show you guys the other 2 swimsuits that I had worn, well, that I had tried on. But I'll show you guys what it looks like, you know, me in the water. And yeah, love you guys. Bye. Mwah. Okay, you guys, so basically I'm gonna like walk around my neighborhood, and yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys me walking. Yeah, it feels good. I'm trying to get fresh air, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the neighborhood. So starting off, there's a lake. Let me show you guys. Hold on. Show you guys what it looks like. So there's a lake right there. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's in between the branches right there. But yeah, you guys, I feel so beautiful today. Like, it's giving. It's giving today. Like, my swimwear, you know, blue is my favorite color, so it just looks good. Even red. Yeah. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. So I'm just gonna probably do like 1 lap or 2, just because what is this in the street right here? Just because I want to go inside and take a shower, because that pool was not really cutting it. So yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, there's cars in front. Woo! You guys, just by like, you know, hearing the birds chirping and, you know, what is it, the lizards crawling in the grass, like, literally, that's nature, like Mother Nature. Like, I kind of want to walk this way because of the sun, but I want to head over there because I want to walk all the way around. So yeah, there's like people staring at me from their apartments, but yeah, and there's a car coming. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna walk the lap around, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's so nice out. You guys, like, literally, like, that car right there behind me was like playing reggae music, like Jamaican reggae music, and it's like I know it. But yeah, guys, I don't want my phone to run out of storage, so I'm probably not gonna show the full walk. So yeah. You guys, I feel so lonely. Like, no one here to walk with me. You know, no one here to walk with me or anything, but it's okay. I feel cute. I guess this is the time where like people come home from work or wherever they went. Yeah, Sundays are kind of like my chill days. Sometimes I go to the library or like the beach or the pool, but Sundays are usually when those days are closed. So I kind of just chill home on Sundays. Fridays and Saturdays I try to go to the beach sometimes, not every week, but I should make like a schedule of like what I'm gonna do for each week, so that way I could just like push videos out there. So I keep squinting because of the sun, because I have sensitive eyes, so yeah. You guys, everywhere I go, there's always a car. Anyways. You guys, there's like necklace and jewelry. I said necklace and jewelry. Like jewelry pieces that I seen on Instagram, and like they're expensive, but I really like them. Like they give Caribbean vibes. Like I think I got this for Christmas, but yeah, I want like a necklace that looks kind of like this, you know, like the ones that go around your neck and dangle. But yeah, they're so expensive though. It's so nice out, man. And I'm not even halfway around the building yet, but yeah. You guys, that car had a Jamaican flag. Like, my people are here. You know, like it's pretty interesting. But yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna walk around. Yo, I'm feeling tired. Like, I'm just trying to air dry, so that way I could just go in the shower. I mean, I know it doesn't really make sense to air dry, but I don't know, guys. I literally got a tan, and it's not even summertime yet, but that's crazy. You guys, this is literally exercise for me. Like, what am I doing? But it feels pretty good. Just wanted to give you guys content, so. Look at that beautiful lake right there. So nice. Okay, you guys, so I'm headed towards the destination. So thank you guys for like, commenting, and subscribing, and clicking the notification bell. And yeah, bye.
Hey.